Webmin is an open source web control panel for system administration for Linux Unix. Webmin allows you to manage users, groups, disk quotas, as well as configure most popular services, including web, FTP, email, and database servers. This video will show you how to install it on a Ubuntu 18.04 server. Before you start, okay, it's going to update. At first, mostly anything that you do installing something on a Linux server, you usually do an update. So for Ubuntu, it's going to be sudo app update. Now, going to install the dependencies. Okay, and that looks good. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to copy and paste this because it's kind of long. So I will put this in the description of the video, a link to it, so you can see all these commands written out. Now you want to enable it. Okay, now it's enabled. Yes. Okay, after that completes installing, now you want to mess with the firewall. Now for my server, it's in the cloud, so my cloud provider manages the port, but I can also show you what you do if you're using the firewall on the server itself. So it's Ubuntu, so it's going to be using UFW. So I'm going to show you for this for Webmin, you want to make sure that port 10,000 TCP is being allowed. So now that is good. Now going to enable. Now that is active. Okay, when I go to where the webmap admin is supposed to be, this is the current error that I'm getting, and I'll show you how to resolve this. So you're going to want to go back to your SSH. Okay, for here. Okay. Gonna look for mini serve. So Okay, now you're going to go down here to SSL, change it to 0. Now you're going to exit out of it. That will save it. Now needed to restart it. So I'm going to go back to the web page after you do the change, and voila, now it works. Now you can go in and set up the Webmin server and do all your configuration.